heat is on. The heat is on. You know you're in the hands of fate. Now you're gonna find me with the temperature is rising, the fever pitch. The sun is getting closer and we all get rich. So the heat is on. Hot hands are free. Calculated madness, you're free. The heat is on. Heat is on. Come on, the heat is on. Rapid the summer, follow me there. The heat is on. You know you're in the hands of fate. Now you're gonna find me, you appreciate that. The heat is
Yes, it's the Benny Hill Show! Oh, that's better.
Don't forget the bowl.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is cabaret time! Time to meet Hill's Angels!
Dance and shake your tambourine, your funky tambourine, tambourine, tambourine.
25 years ago, a crack latrine unit escaped from Holloway Jail. They went to Earth in the underground at Piccadilly Circus. If you have a problem and no one can help, then, if you can find them, maybe you can hire the B Team.
The golden eagle of humans. Tell us where it is.
Never. We'll never tell.
Tell us where the snake has hidden the golden eagle.
We'll never tell you.
Never tell, eh?
Here he is, your friend and his, Bernard Manning.
We'll tell you. We'll tell you. Behind the picture. Behind the picture. Go on, take it. Take it.
I don't know what the name of the other eye was.
Works every time.
Hi, Hannibal Smith here. What? An eagle worth $10 million? How could a bird save that much money? I'll think about it. I've thought about it. Well, take it. You're on. Right. First, Murdoch.
Hello?
Hi, Hannibal.
Okay, Hannibal, yeah. All right. I gotta go now, Hannibal. I'll see you.
Come in. Wow. Which one of the team are you?
I'm Bacchus. I'm B.A.
A BA? A Bachelor of Arts?
Yeah, and I'm a doctor of philosophy, and I'm a doctor of medicine, doctor of divinity, and I'm also a bachelor of science.
You're kidding.
Well, you started it. Hey, that stings. That's making my arm smart.
Then I'll pour some on your head.
That ain't liniment. There's something wrong with that.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah. Oh, hi there, Hannah.
He said it's worth $10 million.
Why didn't he go to the police?
He said they'd hide it somewhere the police would never look.
Like an embassy.
Yeah, like an embassy, sure, yeah, but which one?
The Humas and the Tahinis have the longest running conflict in the Middle East. My guess would be the Tahini embassy.
That'll be my guess, too, yeah. Well, one way or another, it looks like a job for...
Ben Ahmed.
Hi,
Hannibal.
Hi, Hannibal!
Say, Amy, how well do you know that SWAT pilot? Harry, isn't it?
Why are you asking?
You think you could get hold of his chopper? You ever handled a chopper before?
Are you kidding? You know I have. How else would I have gotten my helicopter pilot license?
Okay, guys and gal, we're making for the Tahini embassy. And
So, Amy, you on ahead. I'll give these two a lift.
You sound like a bra talking to a hat.
Come on, people. Come on, little dog. Good dog. Doggy, come on.
dog,
You gonna
dog, you
stick
ain't got
that
no
dog?
damn dog.
Come
Oh,
on,
Tom
people.
told me he ain't got a dog. You are nothing. You ain't got no dog. What the hell he said he got?
What do I put in the middle?
Oh, it's a couple of equidistant lines going through a cone.
Parabolics.
Looks to me like a couple of equidistant lines going through a cone.
Patty! Oh, sheep did.
How's your dog?
My dog's real fine. Aren't you, Billy boy?
Ain't no damn dog. Keep on about that damn dog there. You ain't got no damn dog. You take that damn dog in there outside of my van.
Can't you go any faster?
Yeah, I can go faster on there. I'm not allowed to leave the van. You know, I guess we're always when the plan comes together.
I think we're getting near town.
What's that, Murdoch?
I seem to be hitting Mount Payphone.
You think you do any better? Hey, you want to take the wheel?
Okay.
Okay, you take it then.
Okay, Amy. Yeah? 2 guards on the roof, and 4 guards and 4 dogs in the garden. Okay, Amy. Come on, boys.
Alors, que voulez-vous?
Nous avons de la fruite et des légumes pour le banquet. C'est urgent.
OK. Restez là-bas. Ahmed, ouvrez la porte.
That is so you.
Are you taking the pistol?
No. Okay. You take it.
Hey, go and get the ladder.
Attends, qui est là?
Gosh, I hope it's not serious.
Maybe it's only a scratch.
Oh, my God, that this should happen to the most wonderful, marvelous, fantastic statuette the world has ever known. Oh, it's just fine, Murdoch. Just a scratch.
The bullet must have lost its impact going through BA.
Hey, good old BA. I knew he'd come in useful one day.
Yes, we have captured the B team. This calls for a little celebration. Venez! Gaston! Hassan, guards! Guards!
Cool.
Attention!
Where do you think you're going?
A man's gonna do what a man's gonna do. I ain't.
Okay, where are you heading next?
Right, now where are you heading the Golden Eagle?
Où est l'aigle d'or?
Jamais.
Jamais!
Says he ain't gonna tell you where it is. Well, tell him that Golden Eagle's worth $10 million. If he doesn't tell us where it is, he gets 20 years in jail.
Si vous ne dites pas où est l'aigle d'or, vous gagnerez 20 ans de prison.
Prison? Oh non, non, pas de prison, je vous en prie. L'aigle d'or, c'est derrière la radio. Venez, venez, je vous montre. C'est derrière la radio.
What's he say? Says he ain't gonna tell you where it is. I'm going for you to get him out of here. Well, we'll soon see about that.
Oh non, qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que... Cochon américaine!
Derrière la radio, hein? L'aigle d'or, 10 millions de dollars pour moi in my van.